I absolutely love my clients. They're amazing and successful at what they do. But there's always this moment, no matter the size of their business, whether a sole proprietor or a large company, big city, small town, where they look at me with terror in their eyes as I'm handing over the keys to their shiny new website, and they're realizing, we have a website. Now what? Suddenly, in addition to running your own business, you're now expected to manage your website, engage on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, write awe-inspired blog posts with breathtaking images and videos, do your SEO, rank #1 on Google, monitor and analyze statistics you've never seen before in your life. The whole thing can be so overwhelming. And it doesn't matter how brilliant you are in your business, this is new information. And someone needs to sit with you and walk you through this new online frontier so you can finally see how all these online pieces fit together and how to use them to grow your business. Because more than anything, this is the message I want to convey. There is no difference between managing a website and a brick and mortar store. When you've created a new website, you have just opened a virtual new store location. And just like a brick and mortar, you'd never leave it unattended to run itself, or worse, let some stranger run it for you. No, you would take the time to learn everything there is to know. So even if your intention is to delegate managing your website to someone else on your team, you can do that now with confidence and authority. Know that I'm actually a real person. I am right here. Together, we are going to figure this out. I'm Greta Rose, the founder of Greta Rose Agency and author of How to Manage Your Own Website. I've been designing and building custom WordPress and e-commerce websites since 2006.